Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Cadillac. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Cadillac has less than 61,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.